making sure my car is good. Like, it's pretty clear, y'all. So, let me tell y'all what's going on. Girl, look at their table. They don't take shit serious. They just got their table right here. They ain't trying to put nothing away. So, y'all. Hold on. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Child, I look a mess. I already know. That's because we've been in the house for like 2 days, y'all. If you do not know, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Lexx. I'm from Miami, Florida. So we down here in Florida where the hurricane is hitting. I ain't gonna even do this because like in different parts of what, although Miami was not affected this time, it's a lot of parts of Florida that has been devastated. Like, people has passed away, people has lost their homes, all type of stuff. It's crazy. Like up there in St. Petersburg, Fort Myers, Orlando, all up there. I'm just praying that, everybody could rebuild. So I finally came last night. They canceled school for us from Wednesday and Thursday. Today is Thursday, so most likely we are going to go to school tomorrow. School will be back open tomorrow, which is Friday. But anywho, yeah, they canceled Wednesday and Thursday. And although they knew that we wasn't going to be a direct hit, I think they canceled because the wind. Like, if the wind is at a certain miles per hour, then the school buses can't run. And once the school buses can't run, school automatically has to close. So that's basically what happened. That's why we're not in school. But yeah, I just came down just to see how it looked out here. I'm finna get in the car and just circle the block and see how it looks. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, y'all. That's what we're about to do. I'm gonna cut my AC off and roll down the windows. I am hungry. I'm gonna make me some breakfast when I get back. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and make me some breakfast. At least we had 2 days off, y'all. I'm thankful for those 2 days. Child, any days they give us off, baby, when we don't have to deal with y'all kids, it's a blessing. So, yeah, we about to see. Hold up, put on my seatbelt. I'm just gonna stay up here. And I know y'all been seeing a lot of people like making jokes and stuff like that. It's just that people that's born and raised in South Florida, we so used to hurricanes, so it's just like we tend to make light of it. It's not funny because my bad, my camera cut off. But like I was saying, like, we make light of it sometimes. It's nothing funny about it because people actually lose their life, their homes, everything that they work so hard for. People lose, but it's just that when we're born here, we're so used to it. Like, it's just like something that we're so used to. It becomes common to us. So that's why a lot of people be like taking light of it and joking and, things like that. Not to say that it's right, but that's just what it is. So yeah, we're gonna ride around and see what's going on.
If Shorty had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor, shorty.
Hey y'all, I'm at work. Only got lunch for these baby kids. Y'all, they made, oh my bad. They made us come back. They made us come back to work. Today is Friday. When I go on my break, I'm gonna tell y'all about the hurricane. So I just wanted to come check in and say, hey, this vlog probably gonna be real short, so whatever.
Yeah, get your bag, baby. Get your bag, please. Yes.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I didn't go outside of my car. I'm on my lunch break. I'm at work. I didn't go outside of my car because it was storming outside. We received more rain just now than the freaking hurricane. If y'all don't know, Florida had a major hurricane. It did not affect Miami at all. They gave us 2 days off. They canceled school for 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. I pretty much stayed in the house all day. But y'all, we barely got rain. Barely got rain. Like, it just got finished raining just now. And sorry about that noise. That's the AC. I hope y'all can hear me. That's the AC, but yeah, we barely got any rain. But so that's how the hurricane pretty much went for us. Like, but other parts of Florida was drastically affected. You know, our prayers are with them. We hope everything is okay with them. And then they were saying something about there's 2 more hurricanes out there somewhere. I don't know how true that is. Like, I stopped watching the news. The news get a little overwhelming at times. But today is Friday, y'all. I don't really have that planned. I'm about to end this vlog here. It'll be up tomorrow morning. Excuse me, y'all. At 10 a.m. Was there anything else I was going to say? So yeah, I think that was it. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Y'all give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you have your post notification bell turned on so you can be notified each and every time I post. And y'all have a beautiful weekend. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.